Let's stop for a moment to reflect and appreciate how the search for the possibility of change for the better bring us together. Different people with hopes and dreams, facing challenges, braving the wilderness of everyday life. We make big things happen, things that need to happen. Somebody's got to do it. So we find our footing, adjust our aim, power up, build momentum and charge with everything we have to muster. And we make ripples. It takes courage to create something practical and feasible, being vulnerable to failure. There's a boldness to it. And the ripples reverberate from our actions across industries, geography, time. Everyone can splash and make waves. At Hatteland, we're in the business of creating ripples, disturbing the silence, not by shouting louder, but by moving together towards our shared vision, one concrete step at a time. Innovating deeply. For the ripples we create, although small on the surface, shift the waters all down to the foundation, creating a current everyone can rely on to steer. We create the future, moment by moment, collectively, with the brightest minds and the bravest hearts.